they're just simple experiments that you can get people involved in to understand about the body.
A very simple experiment that describes something about the way in which a system works, the way in which a tissue works, to be able to demonstrate.
If you take a paper towel tube and you were able to put books on top of a paper towel tube, just by itself it collapses pretty easily. But if you fill that paper towel tube with straws of different sizes and fill it up and put that same set of books on there, it won't collapse. And it kind of gives you an idea of the structure of bone and how intricate it is and how well developed it is.
Another thing we oftentimes do is we'll show, for example, a video of an athlete who experiences an injury. And they've seen some of their friends that have experienced injury. And if you can demonstrate to them that here is a problem, this is a problem that is not routinely fixed, that really requires the expertise of students such as themselves, who have the skill sets to be able to actually solve the problem, they're hooked.
To me, it's that first-hand knowledge of being there or talking to people to understand if you're going to fit in.
This is a terrific opportunity for students, particularly women and minorities who are thinking about this.
It's just a zest for the field and wanting to impact people's lives.
Encourage curiosity, encourage these students to not give up, but to be very directed in trying to solve problems.
I know that this field does have more women in it than other fields of engineering.
It's not uncommon to have biomedical engineering programs that have 30 to 50% women in them, which is very unlike what we see in other more traditional areas of engineering.
If you're an assertive woman, then there's really, the fact that you are a woman really has nothing to do with your success in the field.
We encourage teachers to reach out, for example, to local universities like the University of Cincinnati, and to try and arrange tours, to try and arrange opportunities for them, for example, to work in summer projects in laboratories. We have a number of programs here at the university that allow both undergraduates and, in some cases, high school students to actually work in laboratories and find out if this is something that they want to do.
One resource is the Biomedical Engineering Society website. bmes.org is the website, and it has a wealth of information about just the basics of biomedical engineering, the types of careers students could go through, the type of education they could look for, and also mentors. You could look on to see people that have gone through and done it before to say, okay, here's what we can do. And they also have annual meetings that potentially if a student wanted to go to see all of the sub-disciplines in biomedical engineering, or even look at the schedule of different things that you could do, they would have an idea of everything you would possibly do within the biomedical engineering field.